Hindi pa eh, yun.
Once we get down there, and once that we are already...
Ang pangalan mo, sir?
Ervin, sir.
Ervin.
Oh, pwede niyo akong tawagin na Ben.
Ben ako. Ako din ako, Ben din ako.
Ay, Ben ka rin, sir?
Tayo.
Pareho tayo pangalan. Ben din.
Everybody, am I right? Okay.
Whatever. We're already in the boat.
Okay. Your destination is just on the right there, the big mountain right there. So we don't need to travel long. This tour is the #1 here in Coron. And the activity is divided in two. Snorkeling, kayaking. So for your snorkeling, you will see fish, there is some fresh water inside of the lake. That's why there's no corals. It will be acclimation under the water and less in marine life. But most of the limestone there is very pointed, sharp. So if you don't have any protection in your feet and then you're standing up in the water eating too much, that's the time you will have a big splash or dimples in your feet, Mamsir. And then, in the pure salt water, we are not allowed to swim in the corals. But sometimes you are enjoying too much about the corals and you don't know that you are already in the shallow part. And sometimes also that we cannot still avoid that you're still standing under the water. Reason, you fix your mask, your life jacket or your camera. If you don't have any protection in your feet, so you are in the shallow part, accidentally sometimes you kick finger corals, sea urchin, and then the last is stonefish. That's the purpose of your aqua system, sir, for your safety. It's everybody have the mask snorkel in aqua shoes. Everybody. Not yet? Okay, that's why we're doing a briefing right now. That's the first word. First word is a meeting place of the tourists. Now, we're going to the second word to grab all the gears that we need. Remember, once we get to our destination and then you want to rent something, there's no more spare. All the gears that you need is just to be here in the town. So, Mamsir, you need to decide now. And the price of the mask snorkel and aqua shoes, 150 for the mask, 150 for the aqua shoes, and you can pay later. Let's do the first. Well, if you are planning to get more deeper to do free diving, there's a plan B for you. Fins. But Mamsir, we have two kinds of fins. The regular one and for fashion. Long fins. Free diving. Okay? Regular fins, it's 150 pesos, Mamsir. But if you want to get the long fins for your fashion for taking a picture under the water, it will cost you 800 pesos, Mamsir. Okay? So, okay, Mamsir. First, are we gonna ask you? Mask and snorkel. Someone gonna rent the mask and snorkel here? Okay, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, those in the front, in the middle, you got your mask.
Aqua shoes only. We can buy aqua shoes only.
Okay, so aqua shoes.
Only.
Yeah.
Bibili tayo.